This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off web notifications on the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To turn on or off web notifications, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Website Permissions area, and in the Website Permissions area, right down here, Notifications. As you can see, I have mine currently set to block. If you click that drop down, you can toggle on either Ask, which is enabling it, or Block. Now if you have your web notifications blocked and you're still getting notifications, that might be caused by browser extensions, or it could be caused by malware. You'd have to Google search to find a solution for that. But that is how you turn on or off web notifications on the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.